Hello guys, today I'm going to show you why do your earbuds Yamaha keep disconnecting from your phone. So the first issue that it may be your phone. Try to restart your phone, try to connect your earbuds to different phone and check if the issue isn't your private phone. If it isn't your private phone and the connection still cuts, we need to go back to the earbuds. Try to do a factory reset of your earbuds. We have a video for it, but it is a long process, so I left it for another video, so check that out and let me know if it worked. If it doesn't work still, you need to try to restart your phone and both restart your earbuds at the same time. Not reset, restart. If it still doesn't work, you need to contact device support because your device is broken. Goodbye.